Hey everyone, it's your boy Mr. Beast here. But not for the reason you think. We're not giving away any money today, but I am here to help you make money. I'm talking huge stacks, all from the comfort of your own home. That's right, today we're diving into the top 5 most profitable digital products you can sell online. I've teamed up with my friends at Alberta Fashion to bring you the ultimate guide to building your own online empire. We're talking passive income, crazy profit margins, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. So buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and get ready to take some notes. Let's get started. First up, we've got ebooks. That's right, those little digital downloads are a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Think about it. Everyone's got knowledge about something, right? Whether you're a whiz at coding, a master chef, or you've got the secrets to training the perfect poodle, you can package that knowledge into an ebook and sell it online. And the best part? The overhead is practically zero. Once you create your ebook, you can sell it over and over again without worrying about printing costs, shipping, or any of that jazz. We're talking pure profit, baby. Plus, with platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, getting your ebook out there is easier than ever. You could be making money in your sleep. Next up, we're taking things up a notch with online courses. Remember when I said everyone has knowledge to share? Well, online courses are like ebooks on steroids. You get to go in-depth, add video lessons, downloadable resources, and even build a whole community around your course. And the demand is higher than ever. People are hungry to learn new skills, level up their lives, and you can be the one to guide them. Plus, with platforms like Teachable and Thinkific, you can create and sell your course without needing a tech degree. It's crazy easy and the earning potential is limitless. Now things are about to get really interesting. We're talking about software as a service, or SaaS for you cool kids. This one's for all you tech wizards out there, but trust me, it's worth listening even if you can't code to save your life. Imagine building an app or software that people use and pay for every single month. That's SaaS in a nutshell, recurring revenue, baby. We're talking about building a real business that practically runs itself. Think Spotify, Netflix, all those apps we use and love, they're raking in the dough with the SaaS model. Now I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, I'm not a tech genius, I can't code. And you know what? That's okay. There are tons of resources and even people you can hire to help you bring your SaaS idea to life. Let's get back to basics with something super simple, yet insanely profitable printables. These bad boys are digital files that people can download and print at home. Think planners, workbooks, coloring pages, wall art. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You create it once, and you can sell it forever. Just like with ebooks, the overhead is minimal, and the profit margins are through the roof. Plus, you get to unleash your inner creative genius. Design something awesome, list it on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market, and watch the sales roll in. Last but not least, we've got the heavy hitter of the digital product world, membership sites. These are like the VIP clubs of the internet, where members get exclusive access to content, resources, or a community, all for a recurring fee. Think about it. People pay monthly for Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships. Why not for something that provides real value and helps them achieve their goals? The beauty of membership sites is that they create a loyal following and provide you with consistent, predictable income. Plus, the possibilities are endless. You could create a membership site around anything from fitness and nutrition to online business coaching and beyond. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 most profitable digital products you can sell online. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or just someone who wants to ditch their 9-to-5 and become their own boss, there's a digital product out there for you. So what are you waiting for? Start small, pick one product, and get to work. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. And hey, if I can go from making gaming videos in my bedroom to building a multi-million-dollar empire, you can achieve your dreams too. Don't forget to check out Alberta Fashion for some seriously stylish threads while you're building your online empire. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. See you next time.